Welcome, everyone, to a special segment on our channel. Today, we're diving into a little-known yet incredibly impressive achievement: how Asian farmers, with their skillful hands, age-old wisdom, and unwavering dedication, manage to harvest an astounding 100 million tons of potatoes each year. This is a seemingly impossible number, but it's made real by the perseverance and relentless efforts of farmers across Asia. The journey of harvesting potatoes starts with small seeds. These seeds are not just production materials but the culmination of many years of labor, research, and selection to find varieties with resilience, adaptable to tough climates. Before the planting season, farmers spend months choosing the right seeds, testing soil moisture, analyzing soil conditions, and making meticulous adjustments to ensure the best results. Across vast fields, they till the soil, fertilize, and carefully prepare each row. Choosing the right potato variety isn't simple. Each type has unique needs. Some varieties require airy, well-drained soil to grow uniformly and resist pests. Much of this knowledge is passed down from experienced farmers and is combined with modern agricultural science to ensure both yield and quality. Each day, as the sun rises, farmers begin their work. Throughout the potato growing period, they face many challenges, from maintaining soil moisture, controlling pests, to managing unpredictable weather. Everything requires patience and skill. The land is like a nurturing mother to these crops, and farmers often say, each potato plant is like a child, needing care as if it were our own. In the harsh landscapes of Tibet or the mountainous areas of China, farmers often face extreme temperature fluctuations. Yet, through creativity and resilience, they make the most of every natural water source and organic fertilizer available to nourish the potato plants. Every layer of soil, each potato tuber, is tended with care, so when harvested, they find pure joy in their results. In some areas of Asia, potato harvesting technology has become highly advanced, with machines capable of harvesting dozens of tons per hour. This reduces the manual labor required and preserves potato quality. Yet, in many rural regions, the harvest is still done by hand. This manual process reflects not only the meticulousness of the work, but also a deep connection to traditional farming practices passed down through generations. Modern machinery helps save time and labor, and tractors and harvesters operating at high capacity have helped many regions achieve outstanding productivity. However, in remote areas where machines are inaccessible, farmers must rely on sheer perseverance, bare hands, and a passion for their craft. As the harvest season begins, the potato fields come alive with activity. From early morning, groups of farmers gather, rolling up their sleeves to begin the day's work. Tractors and harvesters move row by row, turning over the earth to reveal the plump, round potatoes hidden below. The scene resembles a vibrant painting, with freshly unearthed potatoes bringing joy and satisfaction to those who labored so tirelessly. The atmosphere on the fields is special. The sounds of machinery blend with laughter and cheers as each pile of potatoes forms. Fresh potatoes glow under the morning sunlight, carrying the sweet essence of sweat and dedication. When the work is done, the potatoes are gathered and transported to large storage facilities. Trucks loaded with potatoes form a long procession through village roads, delivering the farmers' hard-earned produce to markets both local and international. These potatoes improve the lives of millions of farmers, allowing them to educate their children and build new homes. Villages often joke, "We don't have gold or silver mines, but we have a potato mine." To them, each successful harvest brings prosperity and happiness. Smiles, warm hugs after a day's work, and drops of sweat mixed with joy mark the success of another harvest season.